Good afternoon, Joseph.
Huh?
How are you doing?
I'm doing a heck of a lot better than I was.
Why are you here today?
Well, I came because it's Dr. Yu's birthday, but I wanted to tell him how much better I feel, so I thought I'd give him that as a birthday present.
Okay. What are the good news?
Several months ago, I had COPD, and I was really in bad shape, coughing all day long, and I was sleeping with oxygen, and then I had to have this atomizer, or whatever you call it, to breathe, to get my chest broken up. And then I'd have to do the emergency, the emergency thing, 4 or 5 times a day. And of course, all of that, it causes your to have your bowels not to move very good. So I was suffering from that. And I was watching TV one day, and I seen this thing come on, advertisement for this, what do you call it?
Stem cell. Stem cell.
Stem cell research. So I was like a dead atheist, all dressed up, nowhere to go. So I jumped my truck, and came over here, and listened to the spiel. And I decided right there on the spot to do it. So I paid my dues, and they gave me the shot. And gradually, it was gradual. I got to admit that. But eventually, I got back to. First, I went off the oxygen. Then I went off the atomizer, and then I went off the emergency thing. And finally, now maybe once, twice a week, I'll do the little emergency thing, more just to before I go to bed, so it's loose all night. But I'm almost back to normal, if you know what normal means.
I remember you rode a bike then 12 miles a day, and you couldn't do it because COPD. Now, how many miles you can ride?
I'm doing a couple miles. I'm easing into it. I had a small accident here a while back. Smashed up both of my knees, and I've healed that up. So I'm going to get back to riding my bike, but I don't think it'll be no 15 miles a day. It might be 4 or 5, 6 miles a day. I have a little tapatia taqueria that I go to eat, and it's 2.5 miles from my house.
Okay.
So I have to ride 2.5 miles there and 2.5 miles back. So I have to ride 5 miles just to eat.
Yeah.
So I looked at that as an incentive, but.
So you are very pleased about our treatment.
I can't say nothing bad about it. I mean, to me, it worked. I can't say nothing else. It's just like a miracle to me, because I was thinking about dying. Matter of fact, I was thinking about offing myself because I had no place to go, but to die, and I'd rather die my way than the way I was going.
Wow.
But I'm back to normal now.
Very